Welcome to the informal newscast of bilingual investing called Crypto Climate. Jay here with you guys today, presenting the climatic pulse and forecast of the markets during the past week. Guys, if you enjoy this type of climatic, informative content, make sure you press the like button on this video. We would gladly appreciate it. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Make sure you click this subscribe button right here, and then also the notification bell so you guys can stay on top of our fresh off the press videos. Guys, don't forget, in the link in the description down below, we also have this link towards our free educational playlist, guys, where you can find a multitude of great cryptocurrency educational content for free, guys, for free. So we immediately move on into the fear and greed index, guys. We're currently at around 22. Yesterday we were at that pivotal 20 level, and last week we were at 23. But again, Bitcoin just showing strength, guys, at least with the sentiment, or as sentiment goes, strength in the sense that we're holding that 20 support level. We actually came down, yesterday, Black Friday. And by the way, thank you, thanks to all the people that participated in our giveaway, Thanksgiving Black Friday giveaway. We're going to have a Christmas giveaway coming soon, so stay tuned for that. So again, guys, 20 has kept, has held here strong, but again, if we break down, we expect the 10 level to be that next key support level. If not, then we have to break the previous high of 38. So we'll definitely keep you guys informed in the next couple of days. With regards to Bitcoin, right now we're currently at around $16,500, give or take an extra couple of bucks here and there. And right now we have this descending trend line here, and for the past 3 days we've had 3 bearish consecutive candles, red candles here. As we can see, not a lot of volatility, but we do have wicks here and there, but it's just showing clear resistance at multiple points of this down sloping trend line here, and then the support continues to be $15,600, and the key resistance level continues to be $17,619, if we zoom out a little bit more. So right now, not a lot going on with Bitcoin, but it's important to understand where we're currently at, and we're going to continue to provide updates with our crypto climate episodes in the next days to come. In a weekly note, we do see that Bitcoin is currently undergoing, or has a green candle for the week. The week hasn't closed yet. It'll close tomorrow, this weekly candle, so you have to stay tuned. Right now we do see a buy wick here at around that $15,700 area level, showing clear support with these for the past 3 weeks with the wicks. We do see buy pressure at around this area. So again, we're gonna have to wait and see if we're gonna push all the way back up towards the next key resistance on the weekly of $18,568, or if we're gonna just consolidate for a while before breaking down towards that 13.7k next support level. So we'll definitely make sure to keep you guys informed. The DXY, the Dixie, had a strong up move for the past 3 days right here. That's about a week ago. It had 3 consecutive up days, bullish days, green days, but then followed by 3 red negative bearish candles here for the DXY, attempting to retest the 105 106 support area. But we do see, we currently on Friday, yesterday, had a green candle, so we have to wait and see if there's going to be further continuation, and if it's going to be some type of double bottom action to attempt to come up here and retest the 108.31 resistance level. So that's a possibility, or we just came up here, couldn't come right back up to the resistance, and then we might break down as well. Anything is possible right now, as long as we remain above the 105.35 level, then it's more probable that we can come back up and retest that 108.30. So we'll see what happens. We'll keep you guys informed. All right, so today's episode is all about altcoin devastation. Okay, in what sense? Well, we have one side of it when we compare altcoins to Bitcoin, and then we have another side where we can compare the growth of altcoins via its the analysis of the altcoin market cap. So we're going to start with Bitcoin dominance. It's actually held up strong throughout this bull market. It's been ranging between the 48.32% Bitcoin dominance and the 40% Bitcoin dominance. So usually in bear markets we have these moves here, these moves like this up, where Bitcoin becomes extremely dominant in a bear market, but in this bear market, we expected, further upswings like this, but actually it's just been ranging in between here, and who knows, it might break down and come right back down towards that 35.40% level as well, right? If we analyze, that's the next key support for the Bitcoin dominance, that 35.40. But right now we're just ranging, and the current support is that 40%, and then the resistance right now is 41.43% on the weekly. So altcoins are staying strong this bear market when compared to Bitcoin. So it doesn't seem like it in the dollar sense, but with regards to Bitcoin specifically, they're holding on. We're currently at around 40%, so we have to wait and see if they're gonna break down this way and become stronger against Bitcoin, or if we're gonna continue to range, come to the top of this range, and then who knows, maybe even break towards the upside and Bitcoin become further dominant with all this FTX scandal and people deleveraging from altcoins. That could be the impact with regards to that. So altcoin devastation, how, Jay? What do you mean? Well, basically right now, currently, we're at the previous 2017, late 2017, early 2018 highs for the market cap. That was around 475 $450 billion market cap. Right now, this is where we're at. You can take this area right here, right? And then, right now we're in between these lines again. So what does that mean? What that means is if this current support breaks towards the downside, then we would expect, further downward pressure towards the next support level. And again, this chart is the altcoin market cap, so it takes all the altcoins except Bitcoin. Okay, so it's only altcoin market caps here. So we're gonna actually have a horizontal line, and the next key level would be it would probably be that 128 billion market cap for altcoins. As we can see, a lot of confluence with support, resistance, support, so that would be the next key level. So again, that would be devastating. That would be devastating for altcoins. Imagine that, we range here, and then that's a far drop down. As we see, there's not a lot of support going down, if it would break down. So that's what we would be waiting for to capitalize, on great altcoin opportunities for long-term investment. Again, this is not official financial advice. You do with your money as you please, but this is all just technical analysis for educational purposes only. But right now, again, we stand, this is a descending trend line here. So again, what can we expect, Jay? We can come maybe retest, and then break down, or we might retest and then break up, right? Anything is possible. But with regards to probability, with the latest fundamental events in crypto and things of that nature, again, it's more probable, I would say, 60-40 that we break towards the downside, actually. So a 40% chance that we would break towards the upside, and more like a 60-65 that we would break towards the downside. So we'll definitely keep you guys informed. But if this breaks down, man, the altcoins are going to shed a lot of billions of dollars, but that could possibly represent great opportunities. So we're going to analyze Ethereum for today. Again, if you like these altcoin videos, make sure you guys like this video and also subscribe, guys, and also leave a comment. You could be like, Jay, I love Ethereum, but also can you cover Cardano? Could you cover BNB? In the top 5, top 10 coins, maybe Matic. We can definitely apply TA to those coins as well. So make sure you leave a comment in the description down below. So Ethereum, has been a while since we actually analyzed Ethereum on our on our channel, and the last time we were discussing was just a downtrend that Ethereum has been in for essentially since November last year. It's been full calendar year just going down, in a sense, creating lower highs and lower lows in a sense. This low is still holding pretty strong, so we're gonna have to wait and see. And then we had the merge, which actually helped the price go from $900 to $2,000. Wow, more than 100%, as we discussed in that video a couple of months ago. But again, right now we're just range trading, in a sense. We're below this trend line here, down sloping trend line, and right now the resistance is $1,241 is that key resistance with these past 2 weekly handle. So we're just ranging here. Again, that $1,000 level is key, is pivotal. If we break that down and break the slow, then man, there's not a lot of support all the way down to that $436 Ethereum, guys. So man, we're gonna have to wait and see what happens. But you know, again, if we break this level, then this is gonna be generational opportunity in my opinion. Just a great time to accumulate Ethereum if that would happen. Guys, if you're enjoying this type of content, make sure you guys follow us on Twitter. You can come over. How do we find Twitter, Jay? You can come to our website. There's a link in the description down below. Tools, resources, our Twitter, social networks. You can come over, follow us. We would gladly appreciate it. So the top 5 cryptocurrencies, you know, and their performance in the last 7 days. Let's start immediately with Bitcoin. BTC, the king, currently at around $16,500, down 82%, 0.82%. If it would be 82%, man, that would not be good. Well, it would be, because it would be a great opportunity to buy. So it's all about perspective. But number 2, Ethereum, currently at around that $1,200, down 0.09. Let's actually see here, percent. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure I had it right. Yes, here on the weekly. Number 3, BNB, currently up 15.41%. That's a price of $313 per BNB. Wow, that's a strong move. Then we have number 4, XRP, the scam, currently at around 40 cents a pop, up 4.35%. And then we have number 5, Dogecoin, getting on above Cardano, as we can see recently, with that 9 cents a pop, up 7.21%. No wonder Dogecoin back in the top 5. The dog coin. Alrighty. Then we have the top 5 best performing assets during the past week. We have Robi token at number 1, $7 a pop, up 55.55%. Man, look at that, fives across the board. Interesting. Number 2, Curve DAO token at around 70 cents, up 30%. Number 3, Litecoin at $76, up 20%. And then number 4, Chainlink at $7.15, up 16.15%. And then we have Dash, the OG coin. What a surprise. At around $41, up 16% in the past 7 days. And then we move on to the restaurant coin. Look at that. The top 5 the top 5 worst performing assets for the past 7 days. Immediately we start off with the restaurant coin at number 1 at 17 cents, down 30%. Number 2, Algorand, currently at around 24 cents, down 20% for the week. Number 3, Chain XCN at around 4 cents a pop, down 18.63%. Number 4, Arweave at around $9.19, down 11.43%. And then number 5, we have Ethereum POW at around $3.36 cents, and down 9% for the past 7 days. Guys, if you enjoyed this crypto climate show, the crypto entertainment videos like these, make sure you guys like the video. It would help the algorithm. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button and like this video. Again, we would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Hope you guys have a good one.